Well, guys, we made it to December, but still got COVID. But today, let's rebuild the Browns. This team likes to have good talent, but waste it. They will probably get like the 11th pick. I don't know. They're 8-3 right now. I did make this a while ago. So yeah, we'll just go with it. So let's get started. First round pick, I do think that Kyle Trask will move up so high to be somewhere near their pick, or maybe even lower. But I mean, sometimes I'll just be walking around my house and I'll see a Florida game on, and then I'll just see Kyle Trask throw it deep downfield, which I do think would be good for the Buccaneers. Because if that was I'll make a video on that. But make sure you check out Microphone's version. He had a version on how Bruce Arians and Tom Brady aren't getting along. So just watch that video. I might make my own version. But yeah, moving on. So let's get started. Not started, but next thing, Cade Mays. Because he's a projected late first rounder, he could go early or mid-second. And that would be like be a pretty good pick. They need a bit of offensive line help. Next, Kyle Pitts, 2 Florida guys. I like it. Never have too much big guys. Come on. But what I do like about this too is it gives Kyle Trask a familiar weapon. And you want that. Because Kyle Trask doesn't know his weapons, he's going to be scared to throw the ball deep. So he's going to start running it, and defense are going to figure him out. So, good one. Moving on, free agency. High chance AB, in my opinion, will get released after he literally broke a security camera and threw a bike. No. Probably just gonna get released, okay? And the Browns don't have enough drama, in my opinion. I'm not joking. Bring him in. He needs it, okay? This one is sign Cam. I think this because I have a plan for the QB at the Browns. Up to this point, I have them with 3 starting quarterbacks. Potential quarterbacks. Kyle Trask, Baker Mayfield, and Cam. Well, I think splitting time with them rather than Baker not playing well, we lose. So if they end up with like 5 starting potential QBs, don't judge. Next, trades. Okay, first, Nick Foles. QB time. Split up. Remember? Yeah, that would be a good play. Okay, next. Wait, there is no next. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Might be a bit of an early upload, but sorry for the background noise, and peace. Productions for highlights. Sports productions for highlights.